welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me on your screens, hey, my name is Lolade. I love that you're here. I love that you clicked the video. I'm so glad you're watching right now. I hope you stay to the end and subscribe and come back every time I post a video so we can become besties. It's 7 o'clock. I'm supposed to be out of the house by now, but I'm not. I'm just about to start my makeup. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just doing something simple. Just concealer, contour, you know, the usual. I'm not doing a full face. I'm doing a full face actually, but very, I always do this, but very simple. Like I said, there's no time, so I just doing something really quick. I really wanted to do eyeshadow today, but maybe I'll just do something light. Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes starting now.
Let's see if I can do my makeup in 15 minutes. Guys, this is a challenge. Is there anything I want to talk about? Not really, not for real. How are you guys? How's life been treating you? I hope you've been good. I just want to let everybody know that they are beautiful and it's true. That's how God made you. If anyone is trying to tell you otherwise, don't listen to them, because what do they know? Can they make a human being? No, they can't. So if someone is telling you that you're not pretty or that you're not handsome, or just cause like maybe, I don't know, you're not conventionally attractive, or you're just not their spec. I don't know. I feel like I've been watching Love Island and this has put a lot of people's characters in perspective for me. You know how like Amaya isn't a lot. I can't lie, Amaya is not a lot, but they make her seem, she's very expressive, she's very emotional. I'm very emotional too, so I guess like I can see if you talk to me funny, I'll cry on cue. My anger is just tears, and I think that that's the type of person she is too. I see a lot of people talking about her, oh, that she's obviously like reacting from a place of trauma, I don't know this babe. I can't say that. Obviously you're a product of your experiences, but people are just throwing and projecting onto these people for real. Like, you don't know her. Maybe yes, she has been through some things in life, but so now equate her whole character and her entire person into just because she has gone through something. Like, it's a bit insane to me. I don't know, I just feel like we should just enjoy the show and stop psychoanalyzing these people. Like, stop giving them disorders. Stop just enjoy the reality show, you know, mind your business and keep it pushing. That's just my own 2 cents. But yeah, so like I've now realized that like people take the fact that like they don't find you conventionally attractive, or like you're not their person, you now take it as like, just take it, I don't know, they just make it seem, some people just make it seem like, oh, that's the worst thing in the world. It's really not. Like, I'm going to use this Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Like, it's not that serious for real. It's not that deep, it's not that serious. I think I'm going to mix this with my nars. I'm going for a really glowy, I have makeup on but not for real type vibe today. See the shade difference, guys. I'm just going to mix it a little bit. I said I wasn't doing anything fancy. Look at me now. But yeah, just stop amounting your worth to what other people think about you. Like, at the end of the day, that's really not what is going to pay your bills. I mean, just be you, just be yourself for real. And I just feel like a lot of characters on that show, there's a lot going on there. There's a lot that needs to be, I don't know guys, there's just a lot that's going on that show, and we're really acting like we can't see that some of these people, yes, some of them, like for example, yesterday was, I think, episode 26 or something, and this is the first time, mind you, this is the first time I'm really watching Love Island. I don't usually watch it. I'll see tweets about it and that's about it. Like, I'm not really a Love Island girly for real. I am, unfortunately, I'm an imposter. Guys, I hope I don't stain my shirt. This is the shirt I'm wearing out. I say I'm rushing. Oh, I think this is a good base. So concealers, I'm going to use amande and I'm going to use hazelnut. This is hazelnut, by the way. And this is amande. I'm going to put on some blush cocoa. I'm going to put on contour with the fenty contour stick. But yeah, what was I saying? I just feel like we need to stop, like, just enjoy the show. Like, I see posts about people saying, oh, they're sending the islanders their accounts, the people that are managing their accounts, they're sending them death threats, and I just feel as though it's a bit excessive, guys. It's just a show. Why are you sending them death threats? You don't think that's a bit extreme? You don't think that's a bit insane, sending people death threats? I don't know. Just because they're doing their job, mind you, is their job they're doing. I don't know. Also, I just feel like, fair enough, I'm not a proper Love Island watcher, but I just feel like the challenges have been a bit insane, guys. Like, some of them are just a bit excessive, but that's just me. I just think, yeah, this wouldn't it wouldn't have aired in the UK. And like all this, have you seen the UK one? The UK one is boring. I haven't watched this. I'm just talking for real. Like, personally, I feel like it's probably boring because everyone is raving about this. It's everyone's top priority, top choice, and the UK one is just there. Why do you think that is? Because they know what sells in America. They know it's drama. They know people are just very messy. So that's what they're banking on, that people continue to be messy. I'm literally rushing. Okay, it's going really well, actually.
Now I got you all to myself. Why you gotta stay with me? I can't imagine you so far. Like I said, you're the soundtrack. Bring me back in focus. For London summer's bandit. You sure as hell to find me a friend.
Sorry guys, I just like locked in and zoned out on the top. I don't know what I was saying, to be honest. Oh, right done? No, I'm not.
Always feels brand new. Very now. I'm missing on your touch. All I wanna do, all I wanna go, baby, go, baby. All I wanna do, all I wanna go, baby. Feels brand new. All I wanna do, all I wanna do, go, baby. Something better tonight.
I'm done with the makeup. I think it looks good. It looks very glowy, very dewy, very natural, but like still beads. I feel like I kind of look different too. I don't know what it is. It's okay, it's cutie. Maybe the lips are not dark enough at the edges. I'm about to leave soon. I don't know. I like it though. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like how your beads turned out, because I like how mine turned out. The eyeshadow isn't too much. It's like little sultry, little dark, mysterious, but it's still very natural. Like everything just looks very tied together. For setting spray, I used the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I also used Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and then I used the L'Oreal. Is it L'Oreal? I'm pretty sure it's L'Oreal. No, not L'Oreal. It's the Makeup Revolution finishing spray, I believe. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. And the little rant I had about Love Island, I really was nothing. I was just ranting, to be honest. I also used highlighter for the first time in a minute. Guys, I look so glowy. Oh my goodness. Wow. This deserves some pictures. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope to see you in the next video. Love you. Take care. Don't forget to explore. Try out some new makeup products. Try some new eyeshadow. Try some new techniques. Just practice until you get what you like, and you can achieve that every single time or better. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care.